What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be making a beat for Lil Eazzyy. So if you guys are ready for this one, let's jump right into it. So check it, guys, we're almost to 5K subscribers, and once we get there, we're going to be upgrading the video quality like crazy. Check this out right here. I went ahead and got a nice Sony camera right here. This is a really nice one that I picked out. I think it's going to be perfect for our YouTube channel and for our videos. And I can't wait to open it up and start using it. But we got to get to that 500 goal. I think we're about 400 people away. So once we get there, I'm going to go ahead and open the box and get everything set up. And we're going to upgrade it. But that's a little goal that we're about to reach. And I just wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's pretty exciting. So anyways, let's start making this beat for Lil Eazzyy. I'm thinking we start with some kind of like a soft piano type of a sound that sounds like this. So we're going to do something like that. And we are going to do like a higher BPM. So this is going to be like a 157. And then we're just going to lay down a nice catchy, simple piano melody here. Yeah, we pretty much got it here. So I'm going to go ahead and fix up any remaining notes and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we just duplicated it over twice here, and this is what we got now. Let's go ahead and find another instrument that we can layer with it to make it sound a little thicker. So this sound's called Studio Zombie. Kind of makes it sound draggy, so I like how the feel of it. Since this one's not very loud, we're just going to throw a little gain on it. Maybe +6. And for this one, let's see if we can chop off some of the highs here and make it sound kind of cool with like a little filter on it. Alright, we changed up the Zombie Studio to the Trippin' Around. It sounds very similar, but it's a little better, a little cleaner in my opinion. Okay, so we dropped the notes down 2, and then for these ones, instead of having them repeat over here, I just brought them down. So we ended up changing to E major from the scale we were at originally, and we're just going to drop these down 2 as well. Okay, that's all we're going to do for the melodies, so let's start jumping in and get some of the other drums laid down. Let's get some open hi-hats in here now. Let's get another snare in here really quick. We'll just copy over the notes from the piano and we'll follow that with the 808. Let's go ahead and make this 8 bars, and we're just going to copy this pattern. We're going to lift it up to D sharp. Okay, so this is the 808 pattern we're going to go with. Let's figure out a different 808 for this though. All right, let's throw a kick in here now. All right, so we changed up the 808s a little bit, and now this is what they sound like. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did a little bit of mixing and arrangement behind the scenes, and this is going to wrap up the video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading videos all the time just like this that you're not going to want to miss out on. Without any further ado, let's take a listen to this beat and see how it turned out. Alright, so I want to show you what I did with the melodies really quick. So these yellow ones right here is they're the same exact melodies. The yellow ones are just pitched up an octave, and the green ones are the regular octave. So that's all that changed there. And yeah, let's listen to it.